This was the resistance. They have once again made a big bearish candle right below it. Yeah, let's check H1. Liquidity was swept, came back down. I'm not going to enter. Okay, I'm not going to enter because I don't know what's happening here. One thing I do know is that it can fall from here. Okay, but I have no entry criteria. So, let's wait. Let's wait. I'm not sure. Wait for the day to end, actually. See, just dropped. Yeah, let's wait for the day to end. Okay, it's a confusing day. 30, and there we go. The day is over. The storyline is also changing now. Can you guys see that? Now daily rejects daily. Liquidity swept. We go to 4-hour time frame. Breakout structure. Now we know that the major break is bearish, minor break is bearish, which means the storyline is also bearish. Now we can start looking for some good sells, right? Now we can start looking for the sells. So where are we going to sell it from? Yeah, we have the same zone right here, which was with the newly created H4 resistance. You can have the zone marked out. Yeah, this would be a strong level for the sell because look at this. Like we have all of this. So let's wait for Asia to end and then decide. One, second one. Asia looks like it is building up liquidity right below this key level. Can you say so? This key level would be a strong one for the sell. Tuesday made a good high. Yes, Tuesday might have made the high of the week. But if we have high impact news now, ICT also tells that okay, on a week when Wednesday has high impact news, Wednesday is going to create the high of now. On a bearish week, okay, if there is high impact news on Wednesday, Wednesday also could make the high of the week. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff that he's explaining. So if you guys want to look into that, you can check out that YouTube channel. Okay, because I can explain it as well, but it'll be too deep. You can get it from him itself. Okay. Yeah, 12:30 and 11:30. Now we could expect a sweep, then a drop. Right, you could expect the sweep and the drop. So let's see. Play price forward. Let's wait for the London session. Okay. Oh, once again into that. Yeah. Now once again with this setup, this thing, Asia and then the manipulation and Asia and then the manipulation. This setup, this is really good because you can even go against the trend with this and then have like a 1:3. Okay, you can do that. You can really do that, but make sure you master that. Okay, else don't go against it. But yeah, see, this was a clean setup. Let's see what they're going to do. Trying to move up here. Yeah, I'm not bothered about this. Okay, so right at 12:30, once again, they came here. London Open. Moving back up. Maybe the London high might get swept with the New York session. And then New York could give us the drop. So we don't have any setups. Okay, so we're not going to worry. It's pushing back up. This was like exactly what happened last Tuesday. Right? Last Tuesday we had a similar kind of a setup. Swept liquidity, broke structure, pull back, moved back up. Same thing, see? Swept liquidity, broke structure, pull back, and now they're moving back up. See? Exactly the same setup. So always there, all of these very identical setups. Good drops, but let's wait for the time. Okay, time is necessary. Let's wait for the timing. Nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing. No, still waiting. Still waiting. Let's wait for the next candle. Looks like we are getting some. We have a break of structure kind of thing, but then again, see this. might be liquidity. This candle does not look that strong, right? Doesn't look that strong. See, Doji. Yes, we have the QM. See, the QM is very clear. And it's happening inside of the resistance, which makes it even a good zone. Let's see. I haven't entered yet. I want to see how they're going to react to this, because they give us a clean body break below this low, then we know, okay, it's going to be a perfect one. So let's wait for that. Not yet. New York has not opened as well. Equal highs. Can you see that? Equal highs, so they might tap into this resistance after clearing this out. We even have the breakout, but now do you think, oh, just because we have this wick to body break, do you think it's going to be a high quality setup? No, because of the equal highs, it's not going to be a good one, right? So, nope, I'll wait. Might have missed it. They have swept liquidity here. Next target up here. Can you see that? But I'm not going to place any buys, just viewing, okay, doing nothing. See? What fueled this move? What gave this momentum? What gave this bullish momentum? This. See that? Very important. Swept, started moving up. Now they have swept this, so we might see some bearish momentum, right? We might be able to see some good bearish momentum. Let's see. Not yet. We do have a candle closing right below it, but we don't see a perfect rejection though. Can we sell it? Yes, I think we can sell it now. I'm going to place a sell, 1% risk. Stop loss will be placed above this because liquidity is swept. We're still inside of the killer. We have another bearish candle closing below it. Can set it here. Target like a 1:3. And then let's leave the rest down into these zones. Okay, because this is a valid setup for me because we are inside of a premium price of this range. High time frame key level. Liquidity swept. Time is good. So let's see. Oh, no, that was a bad setup. Tapped weekly, yeah, but that was a bad setup.
I think imbalance, it tapped imbalance.
Here, yeah. That's fine. -1. Let's wait. No. This was an invalid setup. I think they're trying to move up here. Yeah. This key level is not a good one. Yeah, let's wait for the day to end, okay? I have no idea. They have moved straight into this key. Now remember, we are at a premium price, right? We are at a premium price, like a big premium price. So big drops could happen unless they are going to break above this, or else we're going to see a big drop. Because now, once again, what's the logic behind it? Okay, why am I saying big drops are going to happen? Because look at this. We are above the 70% as well, because this is like almost like an 80% retracement, which means if this is a if anything above 50% is a premium price, we are at a very like a highly premium price, right? Now the market makers or whatever it is, whoever it is, they are not going to keep price here for a long time. Okay, they're not going to keep price here for a long time because this is the best price they could offer. Okay, so they could quickly drop. So let's see what they're going to do. So tomorrow we might have some good selling opportunities. They're not going to break above this high. Okay, so let's see. Just like we planned, but it happened that same day itself. Now clearly everything is bearish. Swept this liquidity, and that was bad. Swept this high once again. See that? Should be news. I think maybe FOMC or something. Wednesday, I think we might have had FOMC. Maybe we could have taken direct entry. Yeah, we could have taken a direct entry. We could have placed a direct entry here, but like looking at this on the M15 once again, I do not see any, like even from here, let's assume these candles were like one big bearish candle, this one. Then we could have taken another entry. I think we could have taken another sell then, but look how slow these bearish candles were. Like that's why I told you candlesticks are language. Okay, they're trying to show us. They're trying to show us what the market is about to do. Okay. So in here, we don't see any signs of sellers getting into the market, right? See, no, a small one. Once again, a small one. Once again, struggling. But this candle, this is what showed us. Okay, it wants to play out. It dropped down, broke structure, pulled back up into this area. This is SPR, right? Yes, support broken, turning into resistance according to ICT, a breaker block, right? Whatever, and then rejection. We could have had an entry here, but look at the time; it was 12:15. Okay, that was bad. But yeah, now we know what's going to happen from the next day onwards, right? We can start looking for sells, right? We can now start looking for sells until where? Until since the market structure was bearish, I think we can start looking for sells until these lows are taken out, maybe. Yeah, at least until these lows are taken out. So let's see. This candle just melted, just like we talked about. They're not going to keep price there for a long time, just like I said, okay? They're not going to keep price here for a long time because they do not want the retailers to get in, right? They want their best price. They will take it to their best price, okay? So the uninformed traders would think, because looking at this candle, everyone would think the market is bullish, right? Because look how strong this is. Big bullish candle. But where is that big bullish candle getting formed? At a premium price. So why would they really fall, right? Like, why would they fly? It's at a premium price. That's why they gave this. Okay, so we had an understanding that this could happen, but until it happened, we can't be sure. Okay. So yeah, the day is over. Let's wait for yeah, let's go to the daily. Clean. Okay, so that's very clean. Storylines are bearish, right? Storyline is clearly bearish because daily rejects daily, and then the show gives you the breakout, which is very clean. And yeah, so now we can start selling. Let's delete this and start drawing new zones. Going to the daily. What are the zones we could use to sell? Current price is here. Mm. Mm. It is the most recent daily zone we have. I'm trying to see if we can include all these. Look at this. There's like a cluster of swing points there, which means, yeah, maybe on the H4, this left shoulder. Yeah, see, so many rejections. The thing is, it's not at a premium price. Can you see it? Not at a premium price. Let's see. Let's wait for Asia. So since it is not at a premium price, let's mark out more zones. Here, see, swing point and swing point 2. This is once again, if you want me to talk in ICT terms, it's an order block, right? The last push up before the push down, that swept liquidity. Okay, so I don't want to go there. Just an open close level, or it's a strong resistance with some swing points. That's it. Okay, call it that. That's easy. We have a few zones marked out. This is this is not a good level. Okay, this is not a good level because it's not at a premium price. Okay, so we can delete that. Let's wait for these zones itself. Let's wait for Asia to end. Oh, Asia. Can you guys see this? Now this should be at a premium price because now the range is from here to here. Now this could actually be at a premium price. Let's wait for the next stage for candle. Now it is at a premium price. So let's see if we can draw them again. Yes, exactly. There we go. Now we are at a premium price. So this zone is completely valid. Okay. Both the zones are valid again. This is why I want to wait until Asia. Okay. Asia will give us a lot of data for the day. There we go. Right, here's a good zone. This is also a good zone. So let's wait. Okay, let's wait until the market reaches there. And also, oh, look at this. They have also created the Asian high right below this. Can't be a coincidence, right? They have also created the Asian high right below this. Now we have a new range from up here to down here. Okay, we have a new range now. They can sweep this. So inside of this range, what happened now here? External range liquidity is taken out. After they take out external range liquidity, they'll go into internal range liquidity. So where is the internal range liquidity? And what is the internal range liquidity? Internal range liquidity is the liquidity that is resting inside of this range. So what is the liquidity that's resting inside of this range? Exactly here. See that? Okay, so very good stuff, right? When you combine both of it, you have a very strong approach. Okay, so all you have to do is understand. Okay, understand and consciously apply all the concepts. We have a sweep of swing lows here. We had another zone here. See this? We had a sweep of swing lows right here. So we might be able to get a buy until the market moves here, but I'm not very sure of the buy. So I'm not going to place it as well. Okay, I'll just speculate, but I'm not going to take any buys. Okay, so let's see. Mm. Yeah, no, buys could happen easily because see, this high is also broken. Can you see that high is also broken? So buys could happen, but it's risky. So I'm not going to place any entries. Yeah, another thing. Why did I tell you? Okay, so see how fractal price is and look how interesting this is. We had a range from here to here, and this was the internal range liquidity. Flip that. Okay, flip that into a bullish scenario. What is this? Internal range liquidity. Okay, so then we have a stop fund, we have a breakout structure. This will be the low. What is this? Liquidity again. Okay, so see this? It's fractal. Okay, price is fractal. So can go up and down with this, but remember to play it safe. Okay, you need to know which ones are your high quality setups and which ones aren't. Okay, so see, these moves are not going to last long. They're not going to last long because no liquidity was taken out. Equal highs building up. Okay, they're building up. Let's see, 4:30 and 5:30. Let's wait for the time. Yeah, building up. Can you see that liquidity? Do you think price is engineered? No idea, bro. I think maybe it may be an algorithm or maybe banks. Okay. I also thought about that for a long time, but then I thought that's really an unnecessary question, right? Who cares if the price is engineered or if one single person is running the markets? If we can make out of it, as long as we can make money out of it, who cares what happens here, right? That's it. Don't even think of those stuff. They are stuff that will just make you stay on the charts for a long time thinking nothing. Okay, I was curious after, but it's unnecessary. Okay. Mm. 30 New York kill zone. Let's see. Nothing. We had more liquidity here. See that? We had more liquidity here. Grand price the market move. Okay. Okay. I think they're sweeping the liquidity. Yeah, I think we can take a buy here. Time is also perfect. Let's quickly see if we had any key levels below the liquidity. The buy will be risky though. Remember that. Yes, we had. Yes, perfect. This one, which one, and the support. So this entire zone, okay, this entire zone will be our key level. Let's see. No, didn't tap it. And the rejection. There we go. Can you see that? Let's buy it because now there's a good confluence for a buy. Liquidity taken out, liquidity built up. So we know from this liquidity where they are going to move next. So let's buy it. Stop loss can go right below this, 6 pips. Targeting up here, 1% risk. We're going to have 5%. Okay, this is going to be a good trade, 5%. So let's see. Oh, yeah, I think the stop loss was too tight. Mm. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, stop loss was too tight. I'm going to enter once again. I don't care. Okay, I will enter again because direction is right. Liquidity is cleared out. So this just happened. We got stopped out. That's fine. Okay, because anyway, I'm going to enter on this bearish candle. Stop loss will be placed somewhere here. Target will be here, or I'll have around 4%. So if I win the trade, I'll have 3%. I'll have 3% again. Plus this minus 1%. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there we go. This will be a winning trade. Done. There it is. Can you see that? From liquidity to liquidity. Okay, so you see this, right? Once you combine both, this is just a part of the game, okay?